This video shows using objects of reference. Objects of reference are objects that are used to represent places or activities. For example, you may show a child their coat to show them that they're going outside. Or it could be an object that represents an activity such as singing, to sing a nursery rhyme. This video will show how to use objects of reference to help a child choose a song.
Okay, let's do some choosing. Do you want turtle or wheels on the bus? Wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long.
This video shows how to use objects of reference to develop a child's choosing skills.
Or 5 little ducks?
Each toy represents a song.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back.
The adult is allowing the child to initiate communication and following their lead throughout the activity.